Question number 3a says express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. So how can you solve 5 divided by 2 into a minus b plus 4 divided by 3 into b minus a. This is a little bit different one. Look, b minus a can be written as minus a plus b. Or if we want to take minus 1 as a common factor, it can be written as a minus b. That means if I want to convert b minus a to a minus b, then we need to add extra negative sign. Okay, so b minus a equal to minus into a minus b. So right now 5 by 2 into a minus b. Here we can write instead of b minus a minus 3 into a minus b. Why we are doing this one? Because to make same denominator. Okay, look, plus minus a minus. Okay, now LCM of 2 and 3, 6. So 6 into a minus b. Here we will get 5. But look, here we need to do extra thing. That is LCM of 2 and 3, 6. That means we need to multiply this one by 3 and this one by 2 to make same denominator. So 3 5s are 15. Plus minus a minus 4 2s are 8. So 15 minus 8, 7. 7 by 6 into a minus b. Now 3b. 3b says c minus 1 by 3c minus 7 minus 1 by 14 minus 6c. So we can take 2 as a common factor. So 2 into 7 minus 3c. Instead of 7 minus 3c, we can write minus 3c plus 7. Okay, then we can write minus into 3c minus 7. So here 7 minus 3c can be written as minus 3c minus 7. Okay, in that way. So we can write c minus 1 by 3c minus 7 minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 3c minus 7. Okay, right now minus into minus, so that will be plus. So here 2 is given, so we need to multiply this one by 2. Now, LCM will be 2 multiplied by 3c minus 7. Here, numerator will be 2 into c, 2c minus 2. Minus say plus. So what will be the result? That will be 2c minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 into 3c minus 7. Done. Now, 3c, look, 4f divided by 10f minus 5d plus 2d divided by 6f minus 3d. So here at first take 5 as the common factor of this denominator. So you get 5 multiplied by 2f minus d. And here from 6 and 3 we can take 3 as a common factor. So we get 2f minus d. And numerator will be 2d and here numerator will be 4. Now, what is the LCM of 5 and 3? 15. So we'll multiply this 5 by 3 and this 3 by 5. Okay. Now, both denominator will be 5 3s are 15. So 15 2f minus d. So what will be the numerator? 3 4s are 12f plus 5 2s are 10d. So 12f plus 10d divided by 15 into 2f minus d will be the final answer of this problem. Now 3d. 3d says u plus 1. Now from 2u minus 8 we can take 2 as a common factor. So u minus 4 minus u plus 2 divided by, if I take 3 as a common factor from 12 minus 3u, then we'll get 3 into 4 minus u. So right now we need to convert 4 minus u to u minus 4. Then the previous sign will be changed. So instead of this one we can write u plus 1 by 2 into u minus 4 here, because if we want to convert 4 minus u to u minus 4, then extra negative sign will be added. So minus 7 is a plus. U plus 2 divided by 3 into u minus 4. So both denominators need to be same. So we'll multiply this 2 by 3 and this 3 by 2. Okay. Right now, 3 to the 6. 6 u minus 4. And here, numerator 3 into u, 3u plus 3 1 the 3 plus 2u plus 2 to the 4. So 3u plus 2u, that will be 5u plus 4 plus 3, that will be 7. Divided by 6 into u minus 4. And that will be the answer of 3D. Now, 3E. 2m minus 5. 2m minus 5 divided by, from 9n minus 6, we can take 3 as a common factor. So we'll get 3n minus 2 minus m plus 3 divided by, from 4 minus 6n, we can take 2 as a common factor. So it will be 2 minus 3n. Now, 3n minus 2 and 2 minus 3n. So we need to convert 2 minus 3n to 3n minus 2. So extra negative sign will be added. So here 2m minus 5 divided by 3 into 3n minus 2 minus m plus 3 divided by 2 into 3n minus 2. So extra negative sign will be added. So minus 7 is a plus. Now, here we need to multiply this 3 by 2 and this 2 by 3 to make same denominator. So LCM will be 6 into 3n minus 2. So numerator will be 2 to the 4m minus 2 5s are 10 plus 3 into m 3m plus 3 3s are. So 4 plus 3, that will be 7m minus 10 plus 9 minus 1 divided by 6 into 3n minus 2. And that is the answer of question number 3. Now 3f. 3f says h plus k divided by p minus q plus 3h plus k divided by, we can take 8 as a common factor. So it will be q minus q. So if I want to convert q minus p to p minus q, so extra negative sign will be added. Okay. So what will be the next line? H plus k divided by p minus q. Here extra negative sign, that means minus a plus a minus. And this q minus p will be converted as p minus q. And numerator will be 3h plus k. Now, we will multiply this denominator by 8 to make same denominator. That means LCM will be 8 into p minus q. So 8 into p minus q. Here 8 into h plus k. So 8h plus 8k minus 3h minus a plus a minus k. So 8 minus 3 will be 5h plus 8k minus k will be 7 divided by 8 into p minus q. And that is the answer of 3. Now 3g. 3g says 5x square. Here from 6x minus 6y, you can say 6 is the common factor. So after taking 6 as the common factor, we'll get 6 into x minus y minus 2x square divided by, from 3y minus 3x, we can take 3 as a common factor. So it will be 3 into y minus 6. So we can easily see this one. We need to multiply this 3 by 2 to make same denominator. Look. Okay. So here it will be 6 into x minus y and numerator 5x square. And if I want to convert y minus x to x minus y, then extra negative sign will be added. So minus 7 is a plus. So we can change the previous sign. So 2 to the 4x square divided by 6 into x minus y. So 6 into x minus y is our LCM. Then numerator will be 5x square plus 4x square. That will be 9x square divided by 6 into x minus y. Now, cancel both numerator and denominator by 3. So 3 3s are 3 2s are. So final answer will be 3x squared by 2 into x minus 1. Now 3h. 3h says 3x divided by 4y minus 2j. So here 3x divided by, from 4 and minus 2, we can take 2 as a common factor. So after taking 2 as a common factor, we will get 2y minus z. Done. Minus 2x divided by z minus 2y. So here we need to convert z minus 2y as 2y minus z. The extra negative sign will be added. Okay. So instead of z minus 2y, we can write minus 2y minus z. It is better. Plus 5 divided by 3z minus 6y. So we can write minus 3 into 2y minus z. Okay. Now we can write 3x divided by 2 into 2y minus z minus 7 is say plus 2x divided by 2y minus z. 2y minus z. My plus minus say minus 5 divided by 3 into 2y minus z. Now, we'll multiply this 2 by 3 to make same denominator because LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. So, we are multiplying this one by 3, this one by 6, and this one by 2. Okay. Then all denominator will be converted as 6 into 2y minus z. Done. Now, numerator 3 3s are 9x plus 6 2s are 12x minus 5 2s are 10. Then 9 plus 12 will be 21. 21x minus 10 divided by 6 into 2y minus z. Okay.